Hello everyone, my name is Clantus and welcome to the Real Clantus Tutorials, my YouTube channel where I discuss all things YouTube topic related. So without further ado, let's get into today's video because we are going to be learning about evergreen content. So have you ever wondered what is evergreen content? So before I proceed, please give this video a like, and also if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So what is evergreen content? Have you ever heard of the term before, evergreen content? Well, chances are you have heard this over and over and over from this channel. However, I've been calling it a different term. I've been saying create content that people are searching for on YouTube, or I would say create searchable content. All that basically means is evergreen content, because evergreen content is about a content that is relevant today, tomorrow, next year, 10 years down the line, even 100 years down the line. That is what is meant by evergreen content, because at the end of the day, YouTube is a search engine and it is all about what people come on the platform to search for. I've mentioned before that there are three things that people come onto YouTube to search. The first one is educational stuff material. Second one, it is some kind of motivation or inspirational. The third one is entertainment. So when you are going to create content on YouTube, they must be based on one of the three or all three of them. But because we need to niche down as content creators, of course you need to choose one. It's either entertainment or some kind of inspirational type of videos or educational type of videos. So evergreen content is not only exclusive to YouTube videos. Evergreen content can be other type of material that people search for, like blog posts, like do-it-yourself type of videos or articles, or something around what people like to look for. When they go on the net, let me repeat, YouTube is a search engine, just like Google. So create content that people, when they type looking for something on YouTube or on Google, pop your content. So if you are going to create content about you, you are not going to see much happening with that content because people don't know you. Plain and simple. Unless you are a big YouTuber or some kind of a celebrity where people actually care about you. At this point in time, while you are still struggling along with the rest of us, it's important that you dish people what they are searching for on the platform. So creating searchable content will play in your advantage. So as you grow bigger on the platform, that is when you can start talking about you. Right now, no. The one important thing that you need to understand as a content creator on YouTube is that the YouTube algorithm pushes evergreen content the most. If you are going to create tech talk type of videos that will be relevant 3 years down the line, then the YouTube algorithm is going to push that video all about technology or about Apple products, because Apple products are evergreen content. So just because some of the old model Apple iPhones do go out of style, that does not mean that they do not become relevant going forward. Because a lot of people who could not afford the iPhone in the beginning, they can only afford it when it's secondhand. And also people who are content creators and they're using their cell phones to film their YouTube videos, they sometimes now and again will talk about the Apple iPhone 11 or Apple iPhone 10 in 2022. That is still relevant topic or evergreen content. Therefore, you will see such a video going really, really well on the platform. Evergreen content, it is searchable all around the world at any given time. So if you are going to create evergreen content, or you've created evergreen content before, you would have experienced this before. You would have seen your old videos basically starting to perform very well today. The reason being is because that some people, or the topic that you had created 2 years ago is now starting to gain some kind of attention. And when people search for whatever topic that you may have created that is evergreen 3 years ago, suddenly now it's relevant. You will start seeing your channel start performing really, really well. And you will start also seeing some significant amount of money coming into your bank account through Google AdSense. So never underestimate your old videos, because your old videos can literally wake up and blow up your channel. So important that you create evergreen content that will still blow up in the next 5, 10 years, 15 years. Even when you've long stopped becoming a content creator, your videos will still be relevant and people will still be watching them, and you will be seeing passive income basically coming through into your bank account. Evergreen content tend to rank pretty good on the search engine or in search, because people will forever be searching for topics that you have covered in the past, and as a result you will see great performance with your channel. Also, your videos search engine optimization, which is SEO, will also show and boost your YouTube videos for more exploration, discovery, and all the good stuff that will blow up your YouTube video on the platform. Why? Because you have covered an evergreen content. And of course, all of this is going to result in money, 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 money. Money. Okay, I was being silly there, but yeah, money is what you will be seeing. So in order for you to create evergreen content, you've got to take yourself seriously. You've got to take your YouTube channel seriously. And you've got to take the content that you are creating seriously, because people have a tendency of seeing when an effort has been made or lack of effort has not been made. And that will determine the performance of your videos as well as your channel. So make sure that you respect yourself enough. That way you respect the people that are going to be consuming your evergreen content. However, as a good evergreen content creator on YouTube, you must also have it at the back of your mind that things do change. So just because today I spoke about Canon EOS 750D camera and it is an evergreen content, and then I don't come back when there are new features and new updates about this camera, then I am not a serious evergreen content creator. So make sure that whenever there are changes in the content that you had created in the past, come back and update your audience about the changes or updates or upgrades about whatever the topic you had spoke about 4 years ago or 5 years ago, because nothing stays the same. Just like me, I do all things YouTube related topics, and as YouTube is evolving, I must come and then update you about these evolutions that are taking place on YouTube. Rather than me just talk about YouTube, but I do not update you about what is happening in the background. That does not make me a serious evergreen content creator. So if you are appreciating this video, give it a like and also subscribe. So if you've been wondering while you were watching this video what evergreen content I should create for my channel, well, worry no more, because I am going to give you about 10 ideas for evergreen content that you can pursue for your YouTube channel. So meaning that if you've been thinking about pivoting your content because you think you are not creating the right content for your audience, then pay attention, get a pen and paper, and then you will have to decide which one you would like to pursue, because at the end of the day, you still have to enjoy what you create, and also your audience must like and enjoy what you create, because at the end of the day, people want to learn and you also want to teach them. So the first one is how to grow your social media platforms. If you are good at growing social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all the other ones that are there that some of us don't know about, then you must create evergreen content around that, because a lot of people are searching for tips, tricks, and hacks on how to grow their social media platforms, especially their Instagrams. The second one is affiliate marketing. If you are a person that is into business and all that other good stuff that brings in passive income, then you can create a video, you can create evergreen content around affiliate marketing. The third one is almost related to affiliate marketing. It is online jobs or online business. If you are a person that has involved themselves in online business or have an online job, create an evergreen content talking about these type of niches, because a lot of people are interested in anything online as long as people will be able to make a living out of that. The fourth one is financial content. If you are an advisor or you've been to an accountancy school or you have an accountancy qualification, then this is definitely something that you can explore, because such content has really high CPMs. What is a CPM? A CPM is basically what advertisers are willing to pay for your video. So finance happens to be the highest on YouTube. It's what you would call a top-notch niche on the platform. The fifth one is tech, or where you talk about technology. You are reviewing technology products, new cell phones or new software or anything around technology. That also is one of the highest CPMs there are on the platform. The sixth one is fitness and health. If you are into fitness and health, then yep, that is a good evergreen content that you can also pursue on your channel. The seventh one is beauty. If you are into beauty, makeup, or fashion, or something around there, then you are definitely going to do pretty well on the platform if you are going to take this evergreen content seriously. The eighth one is how to. A lot of people are trying to learn how to do something, how to change a tire. I don't know how to change a tire, and if I had to learn how to change a tire, guess where I'm going to go to? Of course, YouTube. So evergreen content right there. The ninth one is mom content or parenting content. If you are a mother or a father or a housewife or a house husband, or you are co-parenting, or you are in a form of a custody, whatever is going on in your life, then document that journey, because a lot of people happen to be going through the same thing as you. Again, follow the community guidelines, because we don't want to get any community guideline strikes by showing kids on your videos. Do not show your kids on your videos. It is not right. COPPA is going to come after you, and then you are going to get age restricted if you are going to show children on your videos. And if you are going to get age restricted on your video, that video cannot make money on the platform. The 10th evergreen content idea that you can pursue is routine, reset, setting goals, setting New Year's resolutions, that type of thing. That always remains relevant for years and years and years to come. How to create a vision board, that type of thing. Those sort of videos do happen to perform pretty well on the platform. The bonus evergreen tip is pet content. If you are a person who is into pets, you want to showcase the best food for your cat, the best training for your dog, the best doctor for your ill pet, or whatever the case might be, that type of content does extremely well on the platform, and it is also evergreen content. So there are very many search terms that you can find on evergreen content. So it's up to you how you take your YouTube channel, and if you are serious about your YouTube channel, then you are going to spend a lot of time researching evergreen content so that you too can be taken seriously by YouTube, resulting with you also smiling all the way to the bank. Well, that is it, guys. What is evergreen content? So if you did not know what is evergreen content, now you know. Now start pursuing that. So I would also like to hear from you by leaving a comment down below and let me know what evergreen content are you interested in creating. So So do not be afraid, don't be intimidated or shy about it. Just go right into it. You will get used to it and you will progress as you upload with each video that you put on your channel. Also subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Please share the video far and wide. And thank you for watching. I will see you next time with a new video. Goodbye.